The pocket camera market is starting to get seriously interesting, and the newly leaked footage of the Insta360 Luna Ultra may have just confirmed that DJI is finally getting real competition. For months, leaks around the Luna Ultra felt more like rumors floating around the internet. But now, with an actual unboxing video appearing online from China, people are beginning to see what this camera could really become. And honestly, some of the features shown in the leak are enough to make even DJI Pocket 4 Pro users nervous. At first glance, the unboxing itself looks pretty simple. There are a few paper manuals, the camera, and not much else inside the box. But the real story is not the packaging. It is what the device reveals once the camera powers on. The leaked footage quickly focuses on the user interface, and that is where things become far more exciting. The Luna Ultra appears to support 4K 60 frames per second recording right out of the box, which is already expected in today's creator market. But the bigger surprise is the modular system shown directly on the screen. The interface displays two separate battery indicators at the same time. One battery percentage appears for the main camera body, while another appears for the detachable display module. This may sound like a small detail, but it actually reveals a lot about how Insta360 designed this camera. Unlike the DJI Pocket 4 Pro, which works as one complete unit, the Luna Ultra seems to split the camera and controller into separate connected devices. That means creators may finally get true remote shooting without needing extra accessories or complicated wireless setups. In the leaked demo, the person places the main camera body far away on top of a structure while holding the detachable display in hand. The live feed continues working smoothly, and the user can remotely control the camera while monitoring footage in real time. This could become one of Luna Ultra's biggest advantages over the DJI Pocket 4 Pro. DJI's camera is extremely polished, reliable, and easy to use, but the screen remains physically attached to the body. For vloggers, solo creators, and filmmakers who constantly shoot themselves, the Luna Ultra's detachable display could completely change the experience. Instead of walking back and forth to check framing, creators may finally get more freedom while filming. Another interesting detail from the leak involves the microphone system. DJI already impressed users with the Pocket 4 Pro's directional microphone setup, using multiple microphones around the body for cleaner audio capture. The Luna Ultra appears to follow a similar strategy with several tiny microphone openings placed around the camera body itself. But there is something even more interesting happening here. In the leaked footage, the person appears to speak directly into the detached module, while the camera remains positioned far away. What makes this strange is that there are no obvious microphone holes visible on the detachable screen unit. This has created massive speculation online that Insta360 may have secretly built audio hardware directly into the removable controller itself. If this turns out to be true, it could become a major feature for content creators. Imagine placing the camera far away for cinematic shots while keeping clean audio recording directly from the controller in your hand. That would remove the need for extra wireless microphones in certain situations. Of course, this is still based on leaks, so nothing is officially confirmed yet, but the idea alone is getting creators excited. Still, the Luna Ultra is not perfect, at least based on what we have seen so far. One possible downside is complexity. DJI cameras became popular because they are simple. You turn them on, shoot, and everything works smoothly. The Luna Ultra's modular system could introduce more things to charge, manage, and potentially lose. Two separate battery systems also mean creators need to pay attention to multiple power levels during shoots. There is also the question of reliability. Modular devices often sound exciting in theory, but they must work flawlessly in real-world conditions. Wireless lag, connection drops, battery drain, or overheating could quickly become frustrating for professional creators. DJI already has years of experience refining stabilization and camera software, while Insta360 still has to prove this new concept can remain stable during long-term use. Another concern is pricing. If Insta360 pushes the Luna Ultra too close to DJI Pocket 4 Pro pricing, buyers may still choose DJI simply because of brand trust and proven performance. But if Insta360 launches this camera at a more competitive price while keeping strong video quality, things could get very interesting very quickly. As for image quality, the leak itself does not fully reveal the sensor performance yet, so it is still hard to judge whether the Luna Ultra can truly beat the DJI Pocket 4 Pro in pure video output. DJI currently dominates with excellent dynamic range, stabilization, and color science. Insta360 will need more than modular tricks to seriously challenge that. But overall, the Luna Ultra already feels different from every other pocket camera on the market. Instead of copying DJI completely, Insta360 seems to be experimenting with a new direction focused on flexibility and remote shooting. That alone makes this camera exciting. So, is it worth waiting for? Honestly, maybe yes. If you already own a DJI Pocket 4 Pro, there may not be enough reason to switch immediately unless the modular system truly changes your workflow. But for creators looking for something more flexible and futuristic, the Luna Ultra could become one of the most interesting camera launches of the year. Right now, it feels less like a simple DJI clone and more like a serious attempt to rethink how pocket cameras should work.